What's up, YouTube? Back here, restoring more vehicles. Today, we're taking a look at the 64 Chevy pickup truck project. Earlier this week, we went ahead and put a bunch of parts in this nice plastic bucket filled full of water and some purple power there. Pretty much the clutch handle, our shifter bracket. So what we're going to do is finish cleaning these up today. As you can see, it was purple. Now it's a reddish, brownish. Ugh. Doesn't look like purple power anymore, that's for sure. So we're going to go ahead and take our nice little wire brush here, start wire brushing some of these parts, and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, they're a lot cleaner than what they were. These were totally caked. Like I was saying, these parts were totally caked. Couldn't even hardly make out what they were. Shifter still got some rust on it, but it's looking a lot better. Still a little bit of grime down in, I don't know if we're going to be able to see it. Still a little grime down in there, so we're going to go ahead and soak that a little bit longer. The tabs are nice and clean for the shifter. Piece that goes to the motor has a little bit crud still on it. Soak that. So I think we'll throw this all back in for a little bit longer. Bucket's all clean. We'll go ahead and get it filled up with a little bit of water. Well, you see that, YouTube? A little teeny clip in there that I think if we remove that clip, pull out that little plastic stopper in there, we can get all the grease from the middle of the clutch rod, so we can work on rebuilding it and repaint it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a pair of needle nose pliers, try grabbing that and pulling it out. Okay, so far we pulled out the clip. Looks like a plastic bushing. The little ball knuckle that goes in there. Chunk of old grease. And the arm. Now as you can see, it's almost completely empty in there. So we'll go ahead, get rid of this chunk of grease, put these three things and this back in the tub to soak. Okay, we got our tub of water. All the parts are nice and down below the water. We're going to take our purple power here and go ahead and dump it right on in. Now, I don't know if you can see or not. There you go. See how it's all nice and purple? Now, we'll go ahead and just let that soak. Check on those parts in about another week. Well, YouTube, we got our parts soaking. Let's go ahead and check out how our engine's doing. There's our engine stand. Wait a minute. There's no engine. That's not good. Where did the engine go? Let's check the truck. Could it be? Could it be? Here's the old gal right here. Oh yeah, look at her. Nice, got a little coat of primer on her. Come around here. Oh, wait a minute. What is that we see? Oh, yeah, that's looking a lot better, ain't it? There's our engine, nicely stuck in the truck. Well, it's looking good for now. I have to do some work though. I don't think that hood's going clear. Got it in, got the harmonic balancer on, got the timing tab on, got valve cover sitting on there. So we're gonna go ahead and work on some stuff, but as you can see, we're on our way. The motor's in the truck. Pretty soon we'll be working on wiring. Engine compartment, it's all blacked out. So got a bunch of holes where we need to start running our wires and taking some measurements. And we still need to remove this terrible battery box. Terrible. But engine's in. Like I said, nothing perfect, just quick put in it for now. We'll come back later, take it all back apart, take these inner wheel wells off. Got some custom ideas for the inner wheel wells. Gotta somehow make this hood fit over that. Don't know if we're going to use this hood, go get a different hood, but we'll figure it out. Well, there's your update on the 64. Plugging away. Got our wiring from Speedway right over there in that box, ready to go. Just need to start plumbing it. Well, that's a wrap for today. Y'all keep on restoring. Don't forget to hit the like, thumbs up button at the bottom, the like button. That helps out the channel quite a bit. And have a good day. Keep restoring.